Kulay pi baro ngapnang sampai pi syaka channel sama bits di hakani ke video ngan solve ya ka general knowledge ke balawan haka LDA kam typist jong ka East KHASI Hills district. Ti parolog ko bang le haka tu ka grade 4 examination ba penunjak dak DSC East KHASI Hills. Ti kumcu mentak skill ngan solve ya ka general knowledge jong ka LDA kam typist. Bat ngan batai bitai ki answer ngan pulilot ikni ki options ki bala ai haki question. Ti yakin perlu matang ini solve no ka number banyak hui Amnesty International is number B. The correct answer kadai number B, a global human rights organization. Nong Kalung Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Katu kadai Riboy district. Nangta number nyupulai, the largest airport in the world is answer kadai D, King Khalid International Airport apo Saudi Arabia. Banyak Sao, the KHASI language belongs to which group of languages? The correct answer kadai Austro-Asiatic, kadai option B. Nyupsan, Makmohan line is separates India with which country? Correct answer kadai E, China. Ini Makmohan line separates ka Arunachal Pradesh berka Tibet. The Nyupon Rio, the ozone layer restricts correct answer kadai B, ultraviolet rays na UV rays. Seeing objects at the surface of water from a submarine underwater, the instrument used is correct answer kadai B, periscope. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Kanigal awan haka DSC grade 4. Correct answer kadai Pacific Ocean. Khundai, who was the first president of India? The correct answer kadai Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Prabhu, which is the largest organ in the human body? The kadai option C, skin. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? The correct answer kadai Finland, D. Baprapu R, who is the 50th and present Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is A, Justice Dhananjaya Chandrachud. Baprapu Lai, what is the upper house of the Parliament of India? The correct answer kadai B, Rajya Sabha. Prabhu Sav, the Trijat Singh Award relates to? Correct answer kadai B, arts and literature. Prabhu San, which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? Correct answer kadai B, Punjab. What is the national animal of India? Correct answer kadai D, tiger. Prabhu Nyo, which sea has the highest salt concentration on earth? Correct answer kadai E, Dead Sea. Prabhu, which organ in the human body is responsible for the secretion of bile? Correct answer kadai C, liver. What chemical element is the main component of human bones and teeth? The correct answer kadai B, calcium. Pakandaipo, which vitamin is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin? The correct answer kadai D, vitamin D. Kandaipo, which country is considered the birthplace of the Olympic Games? The correct answer kadai B, Greece. Kandaipo, who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? The correct answer kadai C, William Shakespeare. Bakandai Pulai, the Kyang Nangba Award relates to which field? Kani kadai correct answer kadai E, sports. Kandai Pusau, which is the largest public sector undertaking bank in India? The correct answer kadai State Bank of India. Kandai Pusan, what is the full form of BCCI? Correct answer kadai A, Board of Control for Cricket in India. Kandai Pun Rio, synagogue is a place of worship of which religion? Correct answer kadai B, Judaism. Which is considered to be the highest literary award in the world? Correct answer kadai E, Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize in Literature. The term butterfly is associated with which sport? The correct answer kadai B, swimming. Who was the first woman to become president of the UN General Assembly? Correct answer kadai A, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Bashispa, the temporary suspension of hostilities by mutual consent in order to start a peace negotiation is called? Correct answer E, asylum. Kani dan kacing artian di perlok semua banyak comment kadai ni asylum. What is the primary function of white blood cells? The correct answer kadai B, to fight infections. 102, who wrote the book War and Peace? Kani correct answer D, Leo Tolstoy. 103, which gas is used to in fire extinguishers to put out fires? The correct answer could be carbon dioxide. 104, For which of these disciplines Nobel Prize is awarded? Te correct answer kadidi te yakini baro la kishat ya ka Nobel Prize medicine ru physics and chemistry but ka peace ru kucu. Te sispasan, what is considered to be the lungs of the earth? Te correct answer kadidi di Amazon rainforest. Nanti perlong angat pi cumutoi nak ni ki ching solve chonga ya kini ki question. But ngan nang solve ya ki wi part ki sections kum ka science kum ka maths nang ta ki logical reasoning kumcu ki perlok song ban share ban like ban subscribe nang ba ki wi ki perlok ru kini cumutoi nak ni ki video ki bang abu kan ni ka channel.